Hello and welcome to another video. Walk around, my name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at the Toyota Prius Technology All-Wheel Drive E. This is a 5-passenger 4-door hybrid in classic silver. Under the hood you'll find the 1.8 liter 4-cylinder driving on 15-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, and smart key system for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside this Prius and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button. We're going to take a look in the front first. This Prius does have a smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket and the vehicle is locked, just put your hand right in there and the vehicle will unlock for you. Taking a look on the bottom of the door, you do have some nice storage space, and above it are your power windows and locks. Equipped with all-weather mats, and on the bottom you do have your manual seating adjustment handles. But now let's hop inside. Start this Prius. It is a push start, foot on the brake, power button. On the left side, you have these arrows, and this will just help you navigate through your entertainment display screen located in the center there. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system, as well as your volume buttons. On the right, you have this cluster, and this will help you navigate through your multi-information display located up top. You have your heated steering wheel button and Toyota safety sense with lane departure assist and dynamic cruise control, and your cruise control speed settings is behind the wheel there. Moving on to our screen, right now we are on this little split screen going with the navigation map and climate control settings. To access the climate control, it is just on the bottom left there. You can also press that map and that will enlarge. This Prius does have a backup camera as well. Get those guidelines. Moving down, you have this nice little shifter here. This is your park button. You have your different drive modes here. Underneath, you have your key wireless charger. Press that button right there. That light will turn on green, and you can place your phone right down, and that'll charge right up without any cables. 2 cup holders, as well as driver and passenger heated seats. 12-volt outlet, USB and auxiliary. And that center console opens up sideways. Plenty of space in there, and you also got this nice little shelf up top that does slide around. Lastly is the glove box. Oh, simple, lots of room. Now we're just gonna close that right up. Before we open up the cargo, let's just take a quick look here in the back. On the bottom of the door, you do have this little bit of storage space, just like the driver's side, and we are continuing with the all-weather mats. Behind the front passenger and driver's seat, you do have this nice little pocket for some extra storage. And in here, pull this down, got nice 2 cup holders and a little armrest. And lastly, we got this button up top. Just press that and the seats will come folding down, giving you access to your cargo. To hop inside, all we got to do is press this button right under the Toyota emblem, and that'll come up nice and easy for you. You can see there's a lot of cargo space for this Prius. On the left and on the right, it does tuck a little bit, providing with some extra cargo room. And of course, like I mentioned, that second row seating goes down in case you need that extra bit of room. But now we're just going to close up, and we got this nice little handle up top. Just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our Toyota Prius. Once again, some of those great interior features include your heated seats, backup camera, and navigation. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take this for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thanks for watching this walk around video, and as always, drive safe.